Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Meet. If you're using Google Meet, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, you have to open the App Store or Play Store, or you have to search for Google Meet, and you have to try to install this app on your phone. So as I have already installed, so I'm going to open it. But here's an update, so I'm making an update here. So after updating, you have to simply go back and open your Google Meet app. It's a Google Meet app. So once your Meet app has been updated, you must have to tap on that app and to open it. And here, if you want to create a new video call, you must have to tap on this new option and then select the contact with which you want to create a call. So here you will get some suggestions, or if you want to create a call or invite some persons, you must have to tap on this create link. It will create a join link. So if you want to join any meeting, just tap on this join meeting option and you have to enter the link, or you can also create a new call by using this suggestions option. Just select the account with which you want to create a new call here. So as I have selected, just tap on this call option and your call will be sent to the person. So just wait for the other person until it's accepted your call. So after accepting, you will get your call here. So in this way, you can easily create a new call or meet. If you want to don't allow your camera, you can easily disable that. Other details disabled. You can also disable your microphone using this feature here, or you can send different emojis using this emoji option. Or there you will get more options here. You can get subtitles, or you can use this on the go option here. You can do different settings here. Here's the live captions, or they don't show video in title. So in this way, you can easily use the Meet app. You can try to create a new Meet chat on your Google Meet app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.